Welcome to the Barbie plane. We're going to be cruising at 30,000 feet. Relax and enjoy the flight.
Here we have the cockpit area. Controls actually move, the wheel moves, in a very realistic display. On-off switch buttons and landing sounds. It also includes a working microphone. There it is. It looks very realistic. It's child size. In here we've got the cabin area where the seats can move back and forth. Pictures change by sliding the lever. View turns from day into night. There are 2 overhead bins for luggage storage. All chairs recline and also go back in the upright position. They're all removable. There's a doll stand included for the flight attendant. Each chair comes with a headset and a seat belt. In the galley area, there's a luggage bin. Luggage fits neatly inside. A coffee and juice dispenser is also included. As well as a refrigerator and microwave. We've got it stocked with soda, and the food trays fit well into the microwave. It includes a magazine rack and 2 magazines, 1 Ken and 1 Barbie. Here's the food cart with accessories that can be stored neatly in the galley. Move the cart to the seating area when ready to serve the passengers. Food and beverage options. This is the trays. Here's a milk carton and a cup. Here's a glass and a soda. Here we have all the accessories. Accessories all fit inside, including the tail. Instructions for the plane. Thanks for watching my video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you liked it, please like, subscribe, share, and comment, and we'll see you next time with more cool stuff. Thanks for watching.